Smile Sunday, dear friends. I hope all of you stay healthy, keep smiling, stay fit, stay calm, and have everything that you want in life. Today, I want to speak about the thyroid gland, the gland which is there in our neck. It's like a butterfly, and it helps in metabolism. It helps us, the ladies especially, to regulate their menstrual cycle, keep our skin nice and smooth, keep our nails, healthy and not brittle. The thyroid gland looks after our hair. It looks after our emotions, anxiety, anger, the right weight, and lets the woman have her baby. Her fertility, it keeps intact. Thyroid gland, if not balanced, can make us emotionally unhappy, can make us depressed, lethargic, angry, a sense of anxiety, palpitation. So, dear friends, we must understand what is this gland all about. This is an endocrine gland, and there's a master to it, the pituitary gland. So both of them work in sync. To keep the thyroid gland in good condition, we have to eat well. We have to eat things that we can metabolize. Actually, thyroid gland gives the fire in the digestive system, the fire to all the other systems to keep well. It's just like some people can digest anything, which is heavier, like a cauliflower, a cabbage, a broccoli, the whole grains like the chana, rajma, non-vegetarian food, burgers, pizzas, everything. So their fire, they have enough of fire, they can digest it and be very happy. But there's certain people whose fire in their bellies, in their system is not enough, and they become obese. To especially such people, we have to think that whether the thyroid is giving them enough of hormones to digest the food. Then there are people who cannot conceive because it directly helps in fertility, in male and female fertility both. So friends, not just eating right, but an active lifestyle would help people to, have babies, to keep their fertility, their youth intact. Activity doesn't mean 20 steps, 100 steps, 1,000 steps, 6,000 steps. Activity means, because I just told you that the thyroid gland and the pituitary, the master gland, are in sync. So if we are running on the treadmill, there is no use of the brain. So actually the thyroid, maybe if you take a tablet, you feel that it is working, but there is obesity, there is dry skin, there is brittle nails, there is hair loss, there is infertility. So dear friends, when we use our brain and our food, our mind, everything correctly, and be very, very active, then the thyroid and the pituitaries will work. This day, when I speak of the levels of your reports, there are T3, T4, TSH hormones, which the doctor would tell you are not balanced. The hypothyroid and hyperthyroid are two issues. Hypo is when your thyroid is not functioning. and hyper is when the thyroid is over functioning. TSH is a hormone released by the pituitary. It kind of pushes the thyroid to work better. So if your thyroid reports show that it is, you know, beyond 5 plus, you start worrying that you have a thyroid issue. So once it is below 10, we should start working on our activity, we should start working on our food that we are taking. Are we having undigested food in our body? So immediately there is no need to start medication or acupuncture treatment or homeopathy medicines. Firstly, look after yourself. Start a lot of activity. Start a lot of, thinking that how I can work better, what I should eat and what I should not eat. So once we start looking after this, then definitely after maybe 2 months you again get yourself checked and the TSH levels would come down, because the pituitary would know that you do not need the TSH hormone. The T3 and the T4 hormones are released by the thyroid glands. So if they are not enough, then again we start working, we start taking L-troxin or thyronome, or start working, worrying. So dear friends, start with a lot of activity, eat right, stay happy. Emotions play a lot of role in maintaining your thyroid balance. So smile, stay happy. I'm sure a lot can be done and a lot of happiness can be achieved. In Sujok therapy, we take a tape like this and tie it around the bottom of the thumb. This is the area which corresponds to the thyroid gland. So we can massage it, or we can tie a methi seeds which gives it constant pressure for a few hours, or we can also take a red color and color your thumb red. This area. This area. This is a butterfly shaped thyroid gland. We can also massage this area, which is your pituitary, your brain. I'm sure this is going to keep you really happy, because you'll really have a good memory and you'll do what you want in life. Thank you, dear friends. Have a great day ahead.